Wilson's song. Well, Wilson is, I call him a genius.
Yes, so.
He's a guru in high life music. And his songs have made a lot of people happy, have removed stresses and depression from a lot of people. And especially me and my family has always been happy every time we listen to Wilson's music. He's a fantastic person to deal with. His type of music is unique. He is a unique person.
I believe that Willis music carries some prophetic message.
He's a great guy when he's on stage, yeah?
I know he's very good, right? You know Wilson is known as the African high life microphone magician. What would you say about that?
Well, Wilson is a unique man. He's so unique in every way. You know, I love him so much.
When he handles microphone, magic happens. So do you confirm that?
Well, when he met someone that's operating his gift, he knows this person is so unique. There's nothing you can use to compare with him.
Wilson, Nwane.
Yeah, I always enjoy his song. Even when we go to some ceremonies, he always played there. One or two ceremonies I've been to, he was the one playing the music.
He's very creative. He's very creative, and I've been to so many occasions he's performed, and I'm so impressed. I think it's worth being here tonight.
Wilson, Nwane. He's been a very good musician because I know him when he started. I've had a glimpse, I've had a little bit of the music, and I love it.
Sir, I am so pleased to have you. It's so surprising that you just came to London just to honor his invitation. Well, we're so proud of you. Have you heard his music? Have you heard his song?
First, permit me, in an occasion like this, I have to speak in Igbo. Jesus.
Amen.
That's the much I can do for now.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
I'm here to support my own personal person, which is so great. I so much believe in him and he knows what he's doing, so
that's good. Do you listen to his songs?
I do. I mean, a lot of, not even one, so there's a lot of his artwork there, and I do follow up on Facebook as well, so I'm really, really proud of him, and I'm here to support him.
So tell me, what are your expectations? Because you know he's good already. So how are you expecting what you're expecting? How are you expecting it? Are you expecting it to be just anyhow or another level?
Excuse me? Not anyhow, because I know him, I know what he can do. So I know he's a stand-up artist. So whenever he's there, he gets on it and he does it very well.
Wilson Nwane is our brother. He's our brother, and he's one of us anyway. Wilson Nwane is a go-getter. We know Wilson Nwane, and he's somebody that can attend whatever you are doing. He appreciates people, and that is why we appreciate him.
One of the pillars of our community. He has worked very hard to bring our community to limelight, so we are here to support him and to give glory to God for another achievement on his part.
Okay. This is my first time coming to witness Wilson's song, and I believe I will appreciate it because I have seen him once in the stage, and I want to see him once again. Thank you very much.
It has impacted a lot in our community. It has, brought our community forward. It has made us, it has made us be known all over the United Kingdom.
Wilson Nwane, he's a brother and one of the pioneer finders of Igbo Community Coventry. We appreciate him because he has been very supportive of the community, and his music, high life music, is very indigenous. So we are so proud of him, to come to this level. So that's why we have come here to support him today. Thank you.
In addition, he has, through his songs, through his music, through his profession, impacted so many lives. His music, his songs are full of inspirations, full of courage, and I think he has come a very long way, and we are really proud of him. We are proud of him. Yeah.
Yes, so this is album launch of Wilson Nwane.
I know,
and it becomes an African something as well. So now I want to integrate people with the high spirit of the night. That this is the intricacies of the intricacies. That we cannot do this without considering the counterplatoons of tomorrow's agendum. Okay, suffices to say that maybe, however, therefore, thereby, or even basically, that we are here tonight. So this is African high life. And then you cannot expect lesser than this.
I've come to support our brother, Willie Nwane.
Okay, sir.
Yes, he's launching his beautiful album tonight, ECHETAGOM.
Wow, my God, so, that's remembered me.
Yes, so I've come to give him my support.
That's lovely.
Wilson is a unique singer.
Yes.
His type of music is the type you don't get to hear from, everyone.
Yeah.
So he has his style.
Yeah.
He sings so beautifully. He moves people. Any party where Wilson is singing, people want to attend. Wilson, he got this swagger as well. He get the moves. He get the right words.
He's touching my heart.
The guy went swagger, man.
Too much.
We're here to support someone that is very great. He's a dear brother to me. I love him so much. Wilson Nwane, ima asokata beke. I may buy shibia. Akiwata. You one name okay. Otu obana. And you can see CHUKWU. CHUKWU. God has remembered me.
Yeah.
He has something that is actually different.
Yeah.
He's different.
Yes.
And I know if you're not here, you're on a certain level.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm here for Wilson's Nwane's launch. I'm looking forward to his album.
Wilson is known as African microphone,
African
high life microphone. There's something of that nature, right? So what would you say about that? You confirm it?
I confirm it.
Okay, so you're witness to that.
Yeah.
You think he's very good?
Yeah, I've seen him perform and he's energetic. He has a great voice. It's very good.
Wow. So you love his music?
I do love his music, yeah.
Can you sing one of his music for me?
African musician #1.
Yeah. That is it.
And I like his song Aduro. You go chop Aduro.
Aduro.
I've come today to support my friend today. Yeah.
Okay. He is known as the African high life magician, microphone magician, something of that nature. Do you confirm with that?
Yeah, he's doing great.
What are your expectations today?
That's my expectation here today is a great expectation because I know that he does the best of the best. So I'm here to support him today. I'm proud of him. So that's why I'm here today.
Well, Wilson Nwane is my brother, and I love Wilson. And we've done many music together. Anytime I'm playing a big show in London, I send for him, he comes and we play. And he smashes it everywhere. Sometimes we have a white audience, we have a Jamaican audience, he smashes everywhere. And it makes me so proud to be Igbo. Because I remember my dad used to play Osadebe, Oliver De Cook, Celeste Nuku, and those guys. And there's nobody carrying on that. And Wilson just came out of nowhere. I was like, brother, you with me, And my next album, he'll be on it. I'll find something for him to do. Yeah.
Wilson is known as African high life microphone magician. Yeah. Do you confirm with that?
He's more than that because he does rock. He sings with me on my reggae. He's just a musician. You don't have a plumber that only fixes one type of pipe. So he plays every type of music. But we Igbos, we make him to play what he plays because there's not many people doing what he does, and we need him, So we try to encourage him. Nothing would have stopped me from coming today. This is Nwane. Yeah.
What are your expectations for today?
The music is going to be amazing.
I know.
It already is, and it so hurts me that we Igbos do not promote what we are. And the truth is that what we have is actually beautiful. And I know this because I have films of Wilson playing to most of my followers, or English and Jamaican and so on. And I've called Wilson to come and play. If I show you the video, the people are going crazy. You know, yeah. I'm playing somewhere else tonight, and I wish I could take Wilson. When I go there, they said to me, "Where is that your brother?"
What is the expectation for Wilson album launch today?
Well, you see, I've known Willie for a while, actually, and I like his music. Really enjoy it.
We are here today to support one of us whose name is Wilson Nwane, on the album titled CHUKWU ECHETAGOM.
Wow.
That means God has remembered me, which means God has done marvelously well for him, and that's why we are all here. You can see as many people here gathered together today to celebrate with him.
Wow. Okay, there's this saying that Wilson is the African microphone magician.
Okay.
Do you believe in that? I just want to know if you concur to what he's saying, because I do.
Absolutely, 100%. It's the only absolutely very correct. That's why it's called the man with a golden voice.
Ooh.
Yes, of course, and you have to see that African thing rooted from Igbo land. So it's important we start from the beginning, the source. Yes, I do concur.
We are here to support Wilson. He's a very nice guy, and we love his music. Beautiful.
He's a well-known and a friend as well.
Okay, if you want to summarize Wilson with one word each, can you tell me what word will you summarize Wilson?
Very unique guy.
Pleasant.
Wow.
Nice person.
Oh, he's quite a nice guy.
Well, we're here to celebrate our brother who is rolling out a new song. CHUKWU ECHETAGOM. God has remembered me. What a beautiful title. What else can I say?
Wilson is known as the African high life microphone magician. What would you say about that?
Oh my God. It reminds me of Osadebe. It reminds me of Oliver the Cook. All the components of African Igbo songs.
If you want to summarize Wilson with one word, what would that word be?
Osadebe.
Wow. Wilson, did you hear that?
I'm here because of Willie.
Okay.
Willie Nwane is my person, it's my friend, it's my body, it's like anything to me. So I just came to support him with my friends.
Do you normally listen to Willie's song?
Yes.
He have his albums.
Yes, he has played for us, People's Loves, and I'll have most of his albums. He's a great entertainer and I love his music.
I know this man through, through an engineer who I went to record an album and he introduced me that he's like a great musician. So through Facebook, I connected him and I saw that through his profile, what I'm doing is what he's doing. So I like his style. I have no choice than to look for him.
I'm here to support Wilson, to see the African high life music he has printed and he has developed. To support him in any way, anything that deals with our culture, I must support it. I'm a really Igbo-centric person. Somebody that supports Igbo, support their culture, support their language. That's why anywhere they are doing anything concerning Igbo, I am there. Yeah.
Bros, you're too much. You know you're 3 much.
Are you serious?
Go carry 4, enter inside.
Are you serious?
You are 3 much. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Bros, listen here, I just want to say, lots of people have gathered here just for your sake. You must be something very special to them. Because I interviewed a few people who testified some positive things about you. I can't just imagine. Listen, there's this song I heard recently in this same hall. It says, Wilson is an African microphone magician. Can you concur to that? Because I know you're the Wilson. Tell us, how are you the African microphone magician?
Okay, you will see that tonight.
I know.
You understand?
I know I will.
So you will see that tonight. It's going to be great.
I know it will.
Yeah, people will be wild, And I thank God for tonight. And I believe people are going to be happy. People are going to say, yes, we really enjoyed ourselves here.
Okay.
God has remembered me is a title nobody has ever given.
Yes, Lord.
And remember, it's not about only Wilson. I have Nigerian musicians in the UK here tonight. They are fully loaded, and because there's a lot of talent here, and I want to recognize all of them.
Yeah. Since you sing to touch their heart, how do they touch your heart? It's a tricky question. How do they touch your heart?
Well, it's a tricky question. I touch their hearts through the gift God gave me.
Yes, so.
And they touch me because they accepted that gift that God gave me. So I am so proud of them, and I'm so happy that they are here tonight to support Wilson Nwane.
Can you tell us us a little bit about this song. Because for you to title the song CHUKWU ECHETAGOM, it means God has done something beyond your expectation. Can you summarize it for us?
All right, CHUKWU ECHETAGOM, when I was writing the song, and I could see beyond my level at that time. You understand? And I believe in God, and I know when I align myself with Him, then the other thing will become history. So after tonight, there is going to be an explosion of blessings.
Amen.
What I tell people is it's not about how well or how intelligent you are, but the way you can affect other people matters a lot. And as you can see, they are all smiling, they are happy, and this night is a night of exceeding greatness. Amen. You understand?
But do you know that the expectation is very high? How are you going to beat the expectation, Wilson? We know you're good though. We know you're a superman. Listen, there's this song I heard recently in this same hall. It says Wilson is an African microphone magician. Can you concur to that? Because I know you're the Wilson. Tell us, how are you the African microphone magician?
Okay, you will see that tonight.
I know.
You understand?
I know I will.
So you will see that tonight. It's going to be great.
I know it will.
Yeah, people will be wild, and I thank God for tonight, and I believe people are going to be happy. People are going to say, yes, we really enjoyed ourselves here.
Okay, can you tell us a
money,